Well, hi guys, welcome back again to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna make up some fried fish, Escovitch style. So now guess what? If you don't want to see me cook up this thing, you're gonna have to come on and ride my boat with me.
Cause it's the Indian, just like a cocoon, girl, I wanna wrap you up.
Here we go. We have some fish here. Not very big, guys. I choose to use the small ones. As small as we can get it. All I do with this was wash it nice and clean in a vinegar and some lemon juice, right? All I did after that, get some black pepper and salt, sprinkle all over it, let it sit for a little while and dry because I don't want it fry and splash all over the place if water is still on it. Carrot, sweet pepper, any color you want to use. So make sure that there's no water on this fish. Make sure it's nice and dry. After you done fry everything, you're gonna need onion, some hot Jamaican scotch bonnet pepper, and pimento seed. I'm gonna show you up on another dish how me get this thing going, alright? And you're gonna need some vinegar. Cause you're gonna need that. Go ahead and cook your vegetables for your fish, alright? Let's go. Guys, I have a pot here with oil. Make sure say your oil nice and hot before you put the fish in there, alright? So we're gonna put the fish in just like this. Okay guys, so now when this batch done fry, I'm gonna show you what it look like. Fry this on each side for 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna show you what the first batch look like. And when we finish fry the whole batch, then I'm gonna show you what it look like on a plate. So see you back in like 6 minutes. Okay guys, here we have it. I'm gonna finish up with this fish now. It's all done, fried everything. This is the last batch, right? So here you go guys, I have a pot here that's on the stove. The first thing you're going to do, add your vegetable in, alright? You're going to put your onions in, green peppers and red peppers in. Make sure you guys can see this. You're going to add your carrots in, okay? Then of course you're going to put your Jamaican scotch bonnet pepper and some pimento seed as well, alright? Let's go ahead and add my carrots. Add some black pepper, just a little bit. And this is optional because you already have the pepper in. Your vinegar, maybe about 4 to 5 tablespoons of vinegar in here. Turn the fire down guys to medium-low heat. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to cover this up and I'm going to let it steam. Okay guys, so this is what it should look like, okay, when you're all done. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to put it on top of the fish so you could see the finishing product. So see you back in about 3 minutes. This is it. So as always guys, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy!